Hello, welcome back. This is Zifeng, Learns to Make. So it has been exactly 1 month since I learned how to do Spark AR. I've created 14 Instagram filters, so I'm going to show you what I've done in this month. Yeah! So this is the first Instagram filter that I made. Clear for more and clear to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. And there's also another version, which is the second one, which is this. Recess, what's that? Project.gg.com. Art Life is Dog Life. This filter was made because ADM was having recess week when I made this. So yeah, it can be positive or negative when you are having holiday. And then Suica, this was my third one. This was made to learn the 3D sculpting and also 3D texturing. So when you open the mouth. And number 4, Chopper, second head. So this was made in Forger and textured in Blender also. Next up, Inosuke. I've learned how to do the outline for the 3D object, so when you turn you can still see the outline, and also the body has the outline, and when I frown I can be angry. This filter is one of the most viewed and used filter so far, and I like it quite a lot. not very convincing with the angry face, but yeah. And next is the Fire Force helmet. When I click, you can change the helmet to the Maki's helmet. And this filter allows 2 faces, so one of you will wear the Maki's helmet and one will wear this one. So this is my number 6 one, and then this is my number 7. This is a level 3 helmet from PUBG, Players Unknown Battleground. It's a battle royale game, so I like this quite a lot also. When I move my mouth, the mouthpiece will move, and when I nod my head, I can wear the visor. So yep. Number 8, this is One Piece Luffy straw hat. So this is very simple, it's just 3D model without any effects. So I modeled the hair and also the straw hat and texture it. So yep, now it's getting better. Number 9, Senku from Dr. Stone, the anime. And when you click it, you can do the eye. I'm not very sure which one should I use, so I added both just by clicking. I like this quite a lot. This is my first full hair sculpt. Hair is kind of hard to sculpt. I also do the texturing, so it's all hand drawn. Yeah. And then this is my number 10. I lost count. Okay, wait, I'll count. My number 10, Deku from My Hero Academia. This hair is really hard to sculpt because Deku has a curly hair. It took quite some time to get the shape right. And then when you tap the screen, this is 5%, no 10%. In this, I have learned how to do animation using animated sequence that I create in After Effects. So yeah. And number 11, this is Uraraka Uraviti from My Hero Academia. Yeah. Number 11, Zenitsu from Demon Slayer. When you close your eyes for 3 seconds, you can use his lightning style. Yeah, I've learned a lot making this filter. How to do more animated stuff and also how to calculate time when you close your eyes. So when you do it again, you can turn it off. Not bad. So number 12, Kokushibo from Demon Slayer. I spent a lot of time to figure out how to do the body occlusion. This was made because Halloween is coming up, but I don't think it will get approved before Halloween. So yeah, I spent a lot of time to model the hair and also the eye. Yes. So last one, 14, Kakashi from Naruto. And when you tap the screen, you can use the Sharingan. So I spent quite some time to do the calculation for the eye tracking because Instagram doesn't have eye tracker, so everything need to be calculated. More or less is there. It's not very perfect, but at least I rotate my head, you can see that the pupil follows. My favorite is of course Zenitsu because in terms of animation and the complexity, this is one of the hardest to make. And my second favorite is Kokushibo because I've learned how to make body occlusion, which means after I made this, I can make all of the long hair model. So that's the 14 anime filter I made in my first month of Spark AR. And currently I'm making Nezuko and Tanjiro from Demon Slayer because a lot of people have been requesting it. So that's the first that I'm going to make. And after that, I'm going to make Gundam Unicorn. So yeah, it's halfway there. So that was what I made in my first month of Spark AR. Starting from next video, I'm going to do something else. However, if you want me to do a tutorial about any of the stuff that I've done, or if you want me to make any anime filter, feel free to write in the description below and I'll try to make it happen. All of the filters that I made will be available in my Instagram account, so you can check it out. Link in the description below. Follow me, please follow me. So that's all for my Spark AR videos. See you again in the next video.